You guys still holding Couv, or did you sell it when I went to lunch?
I just sold it. That was a pretty good hit. Whatever.
Yeah, it was a nice little bounce.
I took profit.
I have my first sell at 75 cents. I think it gets to 75.
I was just being a bitch because I bought it a while ago and got burned on it. So I was like, oh, I made profit. Let me just get out of this
It's
shit.
being a little sketchy because you failed the same level twice. So if it does start failing below like 53, I might cut it.
Yeah, I cut mine at 56 because it already burned me once.
Yeah. I've never traded this company before, so just letting it run. That VWAP reclaim is extremely bullish, so we should see a break. I think it has buy signals coming up on the lower time frames. Let me see. Yeah, 1 hour buy signal on the auto squeeze, 15-minute buy signal playing out. Daily is warning, so the daily hasn't even triggered yet. If the daily triggers a buy, it should be huge. 4 hour also giving a warning candle. CCI breaking out on 4 hour. CCI breaking out on daily. I think it goes for at least a day or two more. Short term pulling back, though, losing momentum. At this point, I will not take a loss on it, so I'm doing exactly what I told you guys. Since I'm up like, what, 30? What are we up, like 30 or 25%? I won't take a loss on that. Biggest gainer on the day by far is Crybf.
Crybaby.
Yep. I'm really happy I did not see what my P&L was when it went to $1 because it would have been disgusting. It didn't stay there for very long. I think it stayed there for less than a minute. So it would have been very hard to get filled unless you had limits in. And if you did have limits in, it probably would have not gone to $1 because it would have hit your limits. Yeah, it was up there for like a minute. It went back there twice, actually, sadly.
Cbbt is going again. That thing's like been one of our best every day.
Yeah, it's clean.
I just sold a tau. Took that little bounce. Even though I was thinking about holding it long term, there's no reason to hold fucking penny stocks long term. That's sucker shit.
I think, yeah, not holding big stacks.
Maybe a small bag.
Yeah,
but
holding
like,
bags is fine. Holding big stacks, not so much.
Yeah, it's dangerous as shit because it can dump on you overnight and you're fucking finished.
Yep. One bad news announcement, you're getting buried.
Yeah, and there's no liquidity. You're going to zero.
The hell did I just do to my chart? God damn it. I have like a massive gray margin on the right side of my TD chart now. Do you guys know how to fix that? Send you a screenshot. You guys know how to get rid of that? Fucking big ass gray margin.
On your actual chart,
Yeah. I don't know what I clicked.
it's got to be under the chart setting, or go to settings, that cogwheel.
'Cause I just fucking clicked something and it fucked it up.
I've literally never seen that happen before.
Yeah, it's irritating.
Yeah, that's usually reserved for like after hours trading.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me just switch ticker, see if it'll fix it. No, it's still there. Fuck. Hey, Mucky Agars. What's going on, guys? Turn off extended hours. Let me see.
It looks like Bumble's going to IPO on February 11th.
Oh God.
Yeah, how do we get in on the IPO?
It's too late now.
They have to
Couv
mess.
is
They have to.
fucking balls deep in that fucking app.
I think I found it.
Damn, I would love to be in on that shit.
You use Bumble, Clueless?
Not for a long time.
Castro likes Bumble.
It's all this
I used
fucking
to-
same. It just like depends on what city you're in. Like in some cities, that one's better, and then in others, Tinder is better. It just depends.
Used to
Dude,
tear
you
it
just
up
have to go
on
to
Bu-
fucking bookstores, bro. That's where the nerdiest, freakiest bitches are. Is at bookstores looking at books. They're not on fucking Bumble.
Yeah, you're actually right about that. Nerdy.
Yeah, I fucking promise you.
Yeah, I know, dude. Relax.
I used to
I've
rip
done
up.
sex before.
You get the
Used to
freaks-
rip up that app in college.
You get the freaks at church though.
C's coming in scumbag style.
Yeah, Steve's is like the ultimate scumbag.
Talking about church and shit.
Good friend to have.
Yo, Algo's pushing for that $1 mark right now.
My head's gonna fucking explode with this. This tasty. I just found something and I don't know how to get it back. God damn it.
On Tasty?
Not tasty. Sorry. TD.
Try to change the margins of
Yeah,
your
that's what
chart.
I did. How do I get into
Go
the
to the
settings? I just
cogwheel.
lost my settings.
Go to chart settings on that. You see the cogwheel there on the chart?
No.
USLT just posted a screenshot.
Yeah, it's like next to the little fucking
Yeah,
lab.
I literally just found that. And then how do I get back to the chart settings? I can't figure out how.
What'd you just find?
How do I get into the chart settings button like they just showed?
The cogwheel that's next to like the
Oh, next to the fucking little test tube thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yep.
I'm losing
and
my
then
mind.
it's probably under either
I found it. It's called expansion area.
yeah.
If you go to time access, it's called expansion area.
Yep.
Jesus. This thing wants to be a terminal so bad. Sorry guys on stream. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but it's probably good. I'm losing my fucking mind. Alright. There we go. We got it fixed.
I have a feeling some of these setups are gonna fly in the morning. Even though it
I
sucks
think
to hold this many-
Crybf has to keep going. Like, look at the daily volume in the past 2 days. And there's literally nothing in our way. Look at the books. There is
Yeah,
5,000 shares from between us and 88. Those are obviously, there's more hidden shares in between, but the ones that are not hidden, there's like less than 10,000 all the way up to 88, which is $2,000. Like I could buy that right now if I wanted to.
Well, yeah, but it's not gonna hold.
No, no, it won't hold. That's the problem.
It'll go right back down as soon as you do it.
I actually closed my Tastyworks, Zach. Let me see if I can look up the options on TOS. Where do you go for the options chart?
On TOS.
Yeah, is it
Under the
all
trade
product? I
tab.
found it. All products. Yeah. Okay. Sends. Let me take a look. Yeah, they're not terrible. Tight spreads, good open interest.
Nvidia still going.
The March contracts aren't bad. February, yeah, February's not too bad either. Yeah, they're not bad.
You guys still hold
You cut out holding what?
BRLL? Came all the way back today.
No, I haven't. I never even traded that.
I was waiting to re-enter. It had a good day today.
Hey Eli, thank you, man. No, I don't plan on playing Nvidia. I missed kind of my entry. If I was gonna take that, I would have taken it back when it broke like 554. I completely missed that. I thought I had alerts on this. I guess I did not. Yeah, I didn't have alerts on that, so I missed it. It's already hit 2 of my targets, so that's why I wouldn't take it here. If you took it here, your next target is 600. If you took it where I wanted to, you would have targeted 567, 574. So you could have taken like at least a third off the table already.
MJ is ripping today.
Yeah, marijuana is going to keep killing it as long as the Democrats are in control.
Yeah, buddy. I'm hoping they forgive federal felonies for marijuana. Then I'm gonna buy guns.
They were also talking about forgiving like 50,000 of student loan.
Yeah, just
I just
print
like,
it.
what happens to the people who already paid that off? Did
You're
they get
fucked, I guess. Maybe you get tax credits or something.
If you got tax credits, at least that'd be cool.
That would be
But
the best
still,
way
who's
to do
gonna
it.
do
The
that
best way to
anyway?
do it
Like-
would be to have people file some kind of paperwork that shows that they paid X amount of loans and then give them like either a third or like a half or even the whole thing in tax credits over the span of 2 to 3 years or something. You know what I mean? Like obviously
Yeah,
they
I don't
can't do it in
know.
a tax credit in 1 year because it would fucking butcher the system. But if they
I'm just saying,
extended it,
like, you're gonna pay for it anyways. Like at some point, you're gonna
Yeah.
now that taxes are higher, you're paying for it anyways. So like, we're just helping, like, mostly. I mean, not everybody, but a lot of people who were just lazy pieces of shit and didn't fucking work hard.
little bulldog, or you could consider it a camel on ES, 5 minute. If it pulls back to retest anywhere from like 95 plus, it will be bullish.
The right way to do it is
CBBT.
to trim the fat at the colleges.
Is
They charge
CBT
way
still
too much
going?
money.
Yeah, it's up 64%.
Let's go, dude. I'm telling you, I think this thing gets to 39. 39.40 would be the final target for that little pullback that we had, and then it could go much higher as well. I'll probably start trimming some off at 40 if it gets there. I've already trimmed some off at 35. 33 is my average exit. Yeah, it's not a good, that's not a bad entry, Monkey. 519 on Nvidia is pretty good. Boeing looks good. Yeah, I think the airlines are finally starting to come back. I told you guys months ago on stream, what did I say? I said some of the biggest blue chips that are going to do very well in the first quarter of 2021 is the hospitality sector. So like jets, the ETF jets, Boeing, all the airlines, cruises. First quarter 2021, they should be doing very well. And
Yeah,
we're
Biden
starting to
wants
see
to
that.
give them.
Look at
Biden's
United
going to write them
Airlines.
in on that bill for relief. He
Yeah.
released that today, and Jets had a nice 15-minute green candle.
Yeah. They should run
mean-
into the summer. Now, the only thing that's going to murder them is if they run into the summer And they're already starting up cruises. You can already go on cruises in like a month, I think a month or two from now on Norwegian. If they see very low turnout on their first cruises that they launch in the next month or two, that's going to hurt them in the summer. But I don't see that happening. People don't give a fuck. They're going to get their max capacity, no problem, and they should start booming.
Look at United Airlines. It keeps going tomorrow. I'm gonna get into it.
Cruises will not have low turnout.
That's what I'm saying. They're going to have max. They're going to have max turnout.
I was talking to one of the cruise lines. I was talking to one of the cruise lines, and he basically said that we were going to do a test run to best understand like all the COVID protocols with 1,000 employees of one of the cruise lines, and it turned into a Facebook viral status where I think over 100,000 people wanted to sign up for those COVID test runs.
Yep. People do not care. Now, what will hurt them is if they are max capacity in, say, 2 months and they have a massive outbreak on one of their boats and then they start putting in regulations again, then they're going to get fucked. But I don't see that happening. We'll see. Because they're going to require positive negative test results to go on the cruises. They're not going to require vaccines. That would murder their business. But they will require a negative test result probably within a week.
They're going to have instant tests both on like embarking and disembarking on every stop.
I have seen that as well. Yep. WWR looks pretty good. If you're already in this, your targets are coming up probably around $12. If you're not already in this, it's too extended to trade. But if you're already in, very close to hitting some targets. Resistance coming in $11.70, $12, $12.25.
CEO of the Robin Hood Foundation stepping down.
Robinhood as in the trading app?
Yeah, they've got a foundation, and he's cutting his ties.
Smart man.
Close enough. Wasn't the guy who was expecting to resign, but close enough.
Yeah, you knew they'd find someone to take the heat.
Of course, fucking shit show.
Yeah.
PTTN, the only penny that we're red on right now, is starting to come
green on it.
come green. Yeah. I could have got my stink
SSFT
bid.
is down a little bit.
My stink bid would have got filled.
Tesla breaking out of the 15-minute falling wedge. I like that shit. First Majestic Silver AG is breaking out of a 15-minute bulldog.
Sona Soft is pulling back here. It might go for a gap fill. It's lost its 50-minute and 5-minute momentum. 1 hour getting close to losing it. Yeah, Sona Soft might come down on us. Probably come down 20%. Worst case scenario.
Ouch.
I've got room to add to Sona Soft, so I'm probably going to hold on to it. Cbbt starting to lose 50-minute momentum, 5 minutes lost. 1 hour still looks decent. How much Cbbt am I holding still? Let me see. I think I've closed a lot of it. Yeah, I'm holding 1/3 of my initial position. So I'm going to hold on to that for at least tomorrow.
I'll just get rid of half of it. There were too much profits on the table, and like,
Yeah.
I'm really gonna hold that forever.
I've gotten rid of 66%.
I'd rather just keep trading in and out of shit. They make up such big gains anyways. Like,
Yep.
just being greedy.
Well, the massive gains like plus 100, plus 200, plus 1,000, those are good to have with like 20% of your bag because it will still make you a shit ton of money.
Yeah, I mean, after Cry this morning, it was hard to fuck the day up, and Cbbt had a huge day too.
Yeah. I wish I would have put more money into Couv.
You remember SRNE from last week, Deja?
I think
I was
still
literally
ripping.
about to tell him about that.
Go
because
look at
he-
it.
Oh, it's ripping right now. It just ripped.
It's ripping.
Big volume buy candle in the 5-minute. Warning candle in the 15. Yeah, it's getting ready to rip. 4-hour warning candle as well. Daily buy candle still playing out. Yeah, Lavender Neo still looks good. It's climbing back above that 60 or 59 level. It's struggling though. It looks really good to run tomorrow. If it holds above 59, it will run tomorrow.
Didn't Trump call this out? SRNE?
Call what out? Oh, I'm not sure. I thought you meant Trump as in Trump.
Careful, you're on stream.
Oh yeah,
I
Jesus.
was just about to say.
Oh jeez. Oh, all right. I need to.
Yeah, we don't
figure
say,
out what
we
I
don't
called
say
him.
his name anymore.
It's a wedge breakout. It's a triangle breakout right now on SRNE. Nice little bull flag.
ACB should be running. All wheat stocks are running. Yeah, ACB looks really good. Buy candle, pullback, which is pretty typical. Build the gap, running. Looks really good. Earnings coming up. Momentum very strong.
Perfect.
Here we go, Dime.
LTHM is still ripping. Levent, lithium play.
Yeah, Levent's up 10.5, dude. There you go, Johnny. That was looking real good, too. I fucking forgot about it. I said I was going to grab it if it broke that pivot, and it broke the pivot.
It's been flying ever since.
Yeah, it's running. It's just now starting its breakout, too. The momentum's still climbing. FSLY is pulling back a little bit. If it starts losing 110, 109 tomorrow, I'm going to cut it. Yeah, wheat stocks look fine, Lavender. Just keep an eye on MJ. As long as MJ is strong, the wheat stocks will run. Damn, Zoom info came all the way back. Are you kidding me? This thing is being sloppy.
Dude, I know. It's just
Holy
like
shit.
makes moves in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it's being sloppy as hell. I'm all out of it. I closed it.
Likewise.
That's a nasty daily candle, even if it closes like that.
It's like an inverse head and shoulders in the 15-minute IDEX, also with a buy signal just came in.
If PTTN has a strong close, I'm going to add on to it. Because this thing looks like it's ready to fucking explode in the next 2 days. Daily momentum still strong. Yeah, the 1 hour and 4 hour are threatening to break out. If it closes strong, I'm adding.
What do you think about T-Doc?
Long as fuck.
Yeah, T-Doc is a long-term bullish play. I think you're easily getting 300, 350. It's probably one of the most bullish plays, like, on a long time frame that you can have.
There you
You
go.
guys have that
It's
podcast
breaking
on
out.
Twitter?
AG.
I should have never closed the ones that I said I was going to hold on to long-term. I had a great fill. I bought them at like 180 something, and we sold them at 200 when it kept failing 200. and now it's at almost 300. I'm just not a long-term trader. Holding shit like that's really hard.
Man, but like this value investing or whatever in these types of stocks, man, just get a different account, put it in there.
Well, that time I didn't have a long-term account, so I fucking was watching it every day. If I had my TD open, I probably would have held on to it. Because that's a company you can hold for 10 years and it will be fucking double what it is now. Triple, probably.
Yeah, man. I mean, come on. Virtual doctor appointments.
Yeah. And just wait 10 years from now when they get all the augmented reality and VR and all that shit up to fucking date. They're going to use that shit for the healthcare business for sure. They already are. They're using fucking augmented reality for healthcare. There's a 2.7 million share order on PTTN holding down the price. If that thing breaks, I'll probably buy into it towards the end of it. Crybf pulling back again. I've already closed a lot of my stacks, so I'm going to hold the rest of it for an overnight play.
Sold mine, so I like hearing about it going back.
Yeah, it's down about 20% from that little spike that it had at 68.
What the fuck? MicroStrategy is $1,000.
That's
Holy
I
disgusting.
shit.
screenshotted that. They were only up 20%. It's probably up more now.
Algo printed a new pivot at 94 cents on the 3 hour, and it just tapped $1.
Algorand?
Algo, yeah, it's at $1 right now.
Nice. That was the one alt I didn't sell this morning.
I want to see this wall get destroyed. There goes 100,000 of it, but it's a long way to go.
Yeah, it's like 25K worth.
Is that how much it is dollar-wise?
Yeah, 1 million shares is about 25K. Lincoln, I'm personally long FMAC because we got in so close to the NAV that it really, like, there's no risk.
Yeah, exactly. I'm right there with you. I'm not touching that thing until it gets to at least 16 or 20. There's no point in closing it. I got filled at $11.
I'll probably add, like, if it dips around 12 or below 12, I'll probably just add on to it.
Watch Gilt here. Gilt is still climbing.
Bitcoin's ripping.
Yeah, fucking Godfather Elon.
You guys like that shit?
Godfather Elon.
I told Dime to relong fucking Bitcoin. He didn't want to listen to me. He got pussy out.
I told Dime because he was tweeting about the OTS trail turning green. I said send Bitcoin up another 10K, and that was at 38, and it went to 45. So I was off by what 3,000. You got 3,000 left, and that 10K prediction's coming true.
I bought it that night and sold it at like that later on that night for like a 4 or 5K profit.
Yeah, there you go. Look at every time it turns green on the OTS trail. It fucking goes up exponentially. So calling for a 10K move when it turns green, it's no problem.
I'm just waiting for a little pullback, man. I think we should get somewhere between like 42 and maybe like 40K.
Yeah, it could pull back to 42 pretty easily. 40,000 still be bullish.
No, I think you got the pullback already today. I think it's about to launch, dude. I was short earlier, but I'm long now. Fuck that.
No, yeah, definitely. My final target's 46,000. I think it hits 46,000 pretty soon. I'd say by the end of the week.
Going down first.
I gave you guys 46,000 way back when it was 22,000. You guys remember I gave you that weekly Fibonacci that gave you all the targets.
Bro, your bot was fucking killing it when it was at fucking 9K.
Oh, it's still killing. I just turned it off because I said fuck it. I'm just gonna hold longs.
I remember when you first said that, I was like, hold on, so you're telling me there's just a bot that's just making you money automatically? He was like, yeah, I just have it on. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, the bot was doing good. I turned it off when it broke. Where's that channel? I have that channel archived. Let me see. The last alert it gave. Let's see.
Yo, if you want to run a bot, just go and stack crypto. It'll do it for you.
1020.
3 commas too.
What's 1020? 1020 is like October? Yeah, October. October 20th. Yeah, when it broke 13,000, I said I'm turning the bot off and just holding longs. And then it fucking ripped.
3 commas has some good bots too.
I think Psychobot is the best one on Stack right now, and that shit was like fucking. Last I checked, like almost 900% this year.
Stacked bought the guys that I use. I use Alertatron. Stacked just bought them.
Anyone heard of KuCoin?
KuCoin's dog shit, dude.
Yeah, it's a piece of shit exchange. Don't fuck with KuCoin. You'll lose all your money.
You have to fucking verify everything you do. You breathe wrong, you gotta verify it.
Yeah, that's all new. Back in the day, it was good.
Dude, look at Couv. Couv is ripping. Let's go.
Deja, that lots I called earlier, that shit is almost at $9. Holy hell.
What is?
Lots.
Oh, Lots, the one that was fucking bleeding.
Yeah.
Oh, using lots? I seen lots of.
I told you it's going down to 7, dude. Like, I think it's gonna die.
It's dead. It's freaking dead.
Atlas was trying to push that so hard.
Yeah, they're getting murdered.
Yep. It's not Carvana. Shocker.
CLNE gapped up pretty heavy. Not sure why. Probably news.
Yeah, there was
there news on it?
Yeah, there was. It signed a deal with some state. I forget.
Yeah, there you go.
What did?
CLNE, Clean Energy Fuels Corporation. Doesn't look too bad. Could continue higher, but if you're not already in this, I don't chase stuff like that. Somebody dropping PTT in. They just dropped about half a mil. About a whole mil now.
All right, you saw my buy.
What's that?
I said, all right, you got me.
Oh, that was you selling?
No, I'm just kidding.
FSLR looks really good if it closes like this. You break that VWAP at 102, it's going to go to 107, then all-time high. Beautiful retest, 50-day moving average, reclaim the OTS trail. Looks good.
J-May, you see that candle on Viri?
No, I didn't look. Is it? Oh. Deja, that was one that we were watching. Look at that thing.
Which one was it?
VIRI. It was trading above the monthly VWAP, but it just pulled back.
I mean, it's sitting on it now.
Who are you on hold with?
Fucking TD Ameritrade as usual.
What's going on? You trying to withdraw or something?
No, I'm trying to sign into this other account, but it lets me sign in, but when I try to place a trade, it says trading is restricted.
Oh, I gotcha. That that ARC SPAC that we got in, King, it's starting to rip. You see that?
Yeah, ARC IU.
Yeah, it's up fucking 2%. It's at 1085. It's not doing bad.
Hey, JMA, tell the
up?
truth. You're trying to get a hold of TD Ameritrade to cover that patch in the wall for patching the wall.
Yeah, they should. They should fucking send someone out here for that.
King, you bought S&PW on the open, didn't you? Fucking thing ripped.
JMA, that hold music. Oh man, I was on it for like a half hour the other day.
Dude, it said
Yeah, I'm
they made
holding it
wait,
till
bro.
like 50 cents.
Dude, it's looking pretty good.
Look at the daily close. It's strong.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's gonna print a continuation tomorrow without a doubt.
There's no pivots in your way either.
Still time to hop in, boys.
What are we talking about? CBBT?
SNPW.
CBBT looks like it's closing great today too.
Yeah, really strong close. OTLK was one that I called out Friday. Look at that fucking thing. Up 48% today. And that's not even the high. You take the high, it's up fucking 57. GPHOF, I think, was one that Wu-Tang called out, up 35.
Deja, I'm doing my last batch of juice, man. Shutting it down after this.
How are you? Yeah.
Because all the United States Postal Service just released something. Well, not just, but a little while ago that they are making it illegal to ship anything vape related
That's
using their
ridiculous.
service starting in April, and then FedEx and UPS jumped on board as well.
So
So I have to
how do you
do-
ship it?
I'm doing one more batch before it becomes illegal.
Well, I mean, like, how would you ship it after that?
You can't. The private carrier.
Jesus.
It's illegal to ship anything that is vape related using the mail
What the fuck is a private carrier?
because they want people to stop vaping, man. They want
So why
fucking
don't they stop people from sending cigarettes?
because they make money off cigarettes. They don't make money on vape shit.
Fucking idiots. So stupid, man. When they got worried about vapes when like everyone smokes cigarettes.
Yep. You know how much money the fucking cigarette companies are putting into this?
Let's go on
Like,
Couv, dude.
one kid died. They're like, oh my god, vapes are so dangerous.
They can't ban vaping, but they ban the way to ship it, which is smart on their part. You know what I mean?
That is very
That's how the
smart.
government works. That is real smart.
I should have
like
put
they,
way more money into Couv, dude. That fucking chart was so clean.
And like you always have these people that believe in let's like donate to advocacy and like let's stand up as a community. Like to me, that's just a bunch of fucking shit thrown at the wall. Like what the government wants, the government gets, and there's not a fucking thing anyone will do about it.
Yeah, exactly. Like when people go protest things, like the government cares if you stand outside.
Yeah, go stand outside, freeze your ass off.
Hey, Crypto.
You're like,
What'd you say? Can you check out AZZ HRZUN?
When they started all the fucking vape regulations, I was always the first one to say like, yeah, just you guys are wasting your fucking time, and I always used to get shit talked to me about it. But I'm glad that people see the fucking truth.
Looks like a snake where you have accumulation and then you break out and then reaccumulate. It's pretty bullish as long as you stay above like 2360, break like 2475, should go higher. These patterns are typically very bullish. You're leaving an accumulation. Here's the fake out level on Couv. You need to get above 61, hold above 61. It goes to 75 tomorrow. We're already up almost 50% on this. Fucking disgusting. We're up 36%. PTTN still the biggest sleeper on my watch list. This thing gets volume tomorrow. It's going to rip. Look at CBBT. 39 is the next target.
So I just did a so before I used to place an order with my manufacturer, you know, for a bunch of bottles, and then put a limit on how many bottles people could buy, so you don't get one guy that buys everything out. And this time around, since it's the last batch and I want everyone to get what they want, I just did a pre-order form to tell me how many bottles they want. Dude, I've sold like 700 bottles already.
Nice.
Oh, this was in that stimulus package that they passed in December in the
Yep.
COVID-19 bill.
Yep. It's the only thing that I don't like the T word for. Cocksucker.
Yeah, there's a couple things. But I mean, whatever. No one's ever gonna get it all right.
Because some fucking guy at a fucking convenience store sells jewels to high school kids, they gotta cancel vaping for everybody else. It's stupid.
It's always they find like one stupid trigger to get the thing that they really wanted passed.
Yep. Sucks, man. To be honest with you too, I was getting a little burnt out after doing it for so many years. And it's not like my main source of income, so it's not like something I need to do. And then this was just like the icing on the cake.
Laser failed the breakout, Louis. He tried to break out earlier, hit that pivot, didn't like it, pulled back, and now we're kind of back into that same area. So it's just consolidating, looking for buyers, didn't like it. It's probably going to wait for the 50-day moving average to catch up.
Yo, there goes Couv.
Is it ripping?
64.
Let's go. If it holds above 61, you get 75, no problem.
Why does Couv sound like an insult?
Fucking Couv.
You're a fucking
Yo,
Couv,
we're gonna
dude.
have to start a penny Discord and charge triple for that shit, Deja.
Dude, honestly, King, holy fuck,
For real.
we're making too much money on these fucking things.
I don't
dude.
think we've taken a single L in penny stocks either. Like,
All
our
right,
strike
knock on
rate is
wood, we have
literally-
not. Knock on wood, you're
Yeah.
not wrong.
100%.
Come on now, you fucking Couv.
I know, it does sound like an insult.
Hey,
When I
Deja,
first
you
heard it, I was
fixed
like, huh?
the echoing on the Yeti.
What'd you say?
Fix echoing on the Yeti.
If you use headphones, there is no echoing.
But what if I don't want to?
Then you're gonna echo because you're a
Really
loser.
fucked.
Don't be such a Couv.
Because you got to think about it. There's no way to stop that because it's hearing your. Okay, if the sound is behind your Yeti, and you're using the setting that I told you, it's the third setting. If you
Yeah,
have
I
the
think I
third
have.
setting turned on, it's directional. So it tries to only pick up in front of the mic. So things on the side of the mic or behind the mic, it doesn't pick up very much. So like if you have your speakers behind the mic, and you have them turned down just a little bit so it's not so loud, it won't pick them up as easily.
All right, I'll give that a shot.
Yeah. But make sure it's on the third setting.
Dude, one guy bought 80 fucking bottles of one flavor, 40 bottles of another flavor.
Oh god.
Literally bought 120 fucking bottles for himself.
How big of an order is that, JMA?
This is gonna be a massive order, dude.
Like fucking $5,000?
No, more than it. Probably like close to 10.
Yeah, that dude got a problem.
Oh wait, no, just that one guy you talking about, or total? He's paying $15 a bottle.
Jesus Christ.
That's a lot.
So can I
I mean,
buy
it's
bottles
cheap
from
for the
you?
bottle, but I'm just saying that's a lot of money to buy vapes.
You gonna sell me some bottles, JMA?
I got you, homie. Here, let me
Mars fucking
give me a sec,
ripping.
C's.
We use TD Ameritrade for all of our pennies.
Should get a referral link from them.
So yeah, really, I don't think they do referrals. Somebody was asking me earlier. I don't think they do.
Fucking shit, man. On pennies, think about all the money they're making.
Yeah, it's gross. Dude, if they did FTX style referrals for like commissions,
We'd
oh
be rich.
god.
Bro, they need to. We'd make so much fucking cake.
We wouldn't even have to trade.
Yes. Exactly. We could just get on Twitter and talk shit about not trading all day.
Dude, I should have put way more money into Couv. I only put fucking, I think 10% of my account.
Yeah, I went small too because it burned me one at a time. But whatever, I made like $4,800.
Yeah, I'm already up 45% on it. It's disgusting.
Yeah,
It's in one
whatever,
day.
I ain't complaining.
Yeah, I closed it. I made a bunch and I closed.
Here's our penny plays right now in my portfolio. ATAL up 65%, CBBT up 55%, Couv is up 45%, Crybf is up 165%, and that's not even close to its high of day. Where's Crybf? Look at this fucking thing. If this thing was at high of day, we're up 360%.
You're such a scammer.
At PTTN, we're down 2%, rest in peace. Sonasoft, we're break even. Fucking disgusting, dude.
Oh shit, Bitcoin pumped hard. I'm up fucking handsomely on this shit. Wow, what the fuck? Thanks guys, whoever's pumping this shit.
And it's not wrecking alt somehow.
OZSC, let me take a look. This one already played out. So like if this is the exact, I love this chart. So whoever found this chart, this is beautiful. Perfect example of what we like to look for. But it's already hitting your targets. So you wouldn't buy it here, but if you're in it, you could start taking profit here. You could start taking profit around 45. You could start taking profit around 55 as well. But yeah, very, very beautiful chart. As long as you get in charts like that, say like 2 days ago, it's a perfect trade. Anything that looks like that like pumps up and then pulls back on low volume, that's a buy. For sure. You got in at 40. Oh, you got in at 4. Jesus Christ.
Oh shit.
Yeah, if you got in at 4, you're looking fine. Yeah. To ladder out, you could take some out here. You could take some out at 45. You could take some out at 55, and then you could hold a stack for like an explosion, like if it goes to like $1 plus. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video going over exactly what I've been doing with penny stocks and like how I trade them, because I'm trading very conservatively, and we've still over doubled our account in the past 3 trading days. So I recommend you guys not going balls to the wall on these things. But I'll have that video out probably in less than a week.
CTRM still looks strong as fuck, doesn't it?
Let me take a look. CTRM. Yeah, really strong. Next target on that would be like 117, 124. OCGN. Let me take a look. What time is it? We have 9 minutes to close positions if you don't want to hold overnight. OCGN. You'd probably want to see. Let me see. 15-minute momentum's lost. 5-minute momentum's lost. 1 hour is getting very close to losing. Daily's still okay. 15-minute, you do not want to lose like $14. You lose 14 on that, I'd probably be done.
Mars just approaching 32.
Couv's about to hit 70. Fuck.
Is it? I have a take profit. I have a take profit coming up. I can't remember exactly where I put it.
Bitch, I had my fucking close set for 69 anyway, and I just fucking closed it at like 58.
Yeah, I closed right around there too.
Fuck.
Yo,
It was
Deja,
starting to look weak.
What's up, Connor?
would you go long on T-Doc here? I'm in some options, but I'm thinking about adding more.
Little high on the daily for a swing trade, I think. But if it stays above like 287, 285, it looks pretty good.
Holy shit! Did you guys see Zom today? Another fucking monster day.
15-minute looks like it wants to break out, but you're losing momentum. If it loses like 290, it's going to come back down.
If only we just held all of them.
292, actually. If it loses like 292, it will come back down probably. Yeah, big day on Zom.
If we held all the shit coins that the penny stocks that we bought, we would have like millions of dollars, every single one of us.
Shitcoins too.
70 cents on Couv, 37 cents on CBBT, dude. We're just printing money. We are fucking printing money.
Coubs. You fucking coobs.
We're gonna have to fucking close the Discord, dude. We're gonna get reported to the SEC.
Take those profits and fucking put them into SSFT before it gaps up tomorrow.
Yeah, don't be such a coob.
Buy more SSFT.
All right, Siege, you're literally killing this war. Take it easy.
Wow, man, Couv went straight to 70.
AEZS is really strong breakout. It's up 184% today and it's
Yes.
still going. Jesus Christ.
A new high a day.
184. That's it.
Yeah, really.
Told you boys, ES 4,000 before any kind of pullback at all.
Yeah, the momentum is still strong on AEZS. As long as the momentum stays high on the Momo, it's gonna keep going.
Got a butterfly trap on ES using SPX.
Look at this thing go, dude. It's fucking ripping. 325 going higher. DoorDash doesn't look good. Looks like it's rolling over. You lost the monthly VWAP, which is a very bad sign. DoorDash has to reclaim 190.
Somebody just brought this one up to me. What? Look at TTOO.
What time is it? 5 minutes?
You know the good ones all gap up too.
What did I tell you guys? Couv above 61, you get 75. It's at 74 here, high a day.
What's the next target?
75 is the next target, then 78, 83, and then 101. Taking profit from anywhere there would be fine.
This TTOO looks real good too.
You can't do OTC on Tasty, can you?
Dude, my take profit was at 75. Couv topped out at 74, I swear to God.
What would I need to do? Where would I need to go to get OTC?
TD Ameritrade.
TD Ameritrade. What a fucking disgusting trade on Couv. We're up 65% almost in one day.
Market's going to be closed by the time these cocksuckers answer the phone.
I took such a small
Would you
position on
get
Couv.
flagged again?
Holy shit, if Couv tops here, I'm gonna be livid.
No, it's for a different account.
You don't need anything. You just want to listen to their elevator music.
That's true.
Yeah, it's down 10% from my take profit. Motherfucker.
I usually calm down a lot by the time they get on the phone.
Hey, look at STPK.
Yeah, I've been watching that one. That one's running.
Dude, Cbbt is ripping. Let's fucking go, dude.
That might be a good play. Let's see if it continues tomorrow.
Next target on Cbbt, 39.
Wow, 70% on that.
Hey, you like that?
Wow,
Next.
I should have just kept all that open. I'm really being a bitch.
I've been taking such small positions on these pennies, but I gotta start taking bigger ones.
My first 2 days, I was taking literally half my account on each trade, and then I built such a big cushion so quickly that I brought it down to like a quarter of my account, and now I'm up so much more, I'm bringing it down to like 10% of my account. But I'm gonna start going back to like a quarter of my account.
Hey, don't forget that acquisition for CBBT should be hopefully dropping literally any day or any week now. Once that happens, it's going to have a 100% day.
Oh.
Yeah,
I wish
I'm
somebody told
trying
me
to
that
hold on
before
to
I
it.
sold half my bag.
I sold a third of my bag already, or 2/3, I think. 1/3 or 2/3. I think 2/3.
I did mention the acquisition, I think, last week. It's in my channel too.
Damn. Well, you got me there.
Profit is profit.
Yeah, it's a really good profit anyway.
NXTD's a little choppy.
I can hold and not care.
NXTD's a little choppy, Lavender. A lot of support bouncing though. Above 150 is strong for sure. I like a little cleaner charts though. This thing could run though easily. I cannot believe. What time is it? 1 minute? Fucking motherfucker. Couv topped out a penny, less than a penny, because I think I had my order below 75.
Damn, fuck you, Veery.
60 seconds.
Did you take that very trade?
Yeah, piece of shit. It'll probably do something tomorrow, though.
Yeah, it looks prime, dude.
Yeah, I agree.
It's like partially filling me on Couv. I've got 30 seconds left.
Oh, ding, ding, ding.
25 seconds left.
And knocks over 72.
15 seconds.
There we go. I got filled on a good chunk. All right, I took profit on, I don't know how much.
5, 4,
Like half my Couv.
2, 1.
I think Couv runs tomorrow, but I just want to take some profit before the end of the day.
Good game, boys.
Tomorrow, I'm going to try to close some Couv into $1 if it rips into $1.
Wow. Really wish it's 58 cents.
What is that, another 40% gain? I think we can get that.
Can I ask why you're worried about getting it in before 4 when you can trade after 4 anyway?
I don't think you can on OTC. OTC doesn't have after hours, I don't believe.
If it is, it's like so thin volume, it doesn't matter.
It's dog shit. Yeah, you like will not get filled.
Got it, thanks.
Yeah. They have pre-market, I'm pretty sure, but after hours is dog shit.
They're
You guys see
both
that
dog shit.
Yeah.
On the ES?
Yeah, ES is running after hours hard.
4,000, baby.
That bulldog,
Hey,
I told
guys.
you guys that bulldog earlier. Look at that fucking bulldog. It didn't really give you a pullback, but it still ripped. Disgusting.
Called 4,000 at what? Sub 3,700?
Dude, I feel bad for people who are not in voice chat because, like I said, I'm not putting these pennies in my channel. They're too risky. But we have been fucking printing fucking gold every day on these pennies. It's absolutely disgusting. I'd look like a fucking genius if I put these in my channel, but I'm not doing it just for the safety of the group.
Yeah, don't do it.
You have too many people here.
But there's just too many people. They would be asking me for targets, how I'm handling it, how I'm managing it. They'd be blindly following. They don't do proper position
I
sizing.
feel like once you get into like targets and all that stuff, it's gonna fuck up the penny stuff.
Bitcoin 44 and change.
Phenomenal day, boys. Absolutely phenomenal. I
Yeah.
think a lot of
Great day,
these.
guys.
I think a lot of these things run still tomorrow. A lot of these setups towards the end of the day look great.
Beautiful. Yep. I think Couv runs tomorrow. I think PTTN runs tomorrow. I think
CBBT.
CBBT I think runs tomorrow. Crybf is a sketchy one. I don't know what that thing does tomorrow. We'll see.
Fucking let it run.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Sketchy one's moving the hardest though.
I'm still in it, so we'll see.
I hope you guys bought more SSFT before fucking close.
I did not actually.
I bet you not a single person did.
I didn't, but I got a pretty good bet.
I was fucking glued to Couv.
I'm all in. I can't.
Good, J man. That's what we like to hear.
JMA don't fuck around.
Damn, Connor, how you read on the day? Because of Zoom? He's not in here. I think Zoom info got him.
That's why Connor's been so quiet. Everybody's fucking making racks on penny stocks, and he's over there trading quality names.
Yeah.
Pain.
Dude, I closed my Tastyworks account like 2 hours ago because I just don't care. I'm just watching my penny stock count. It's fucking disgusting.
Sick.
It is
Toxic's the
toxic,
word.
dude. It is toxic. I'm in 6 penny stocks right now. What the fuck am I doing? I'm building a diversified portfolio of dog shit.
I'm in about 20.
Oh god.
Now you just
dude.
need forex.
I don't know why you guys are tripping, dude. I like trading penny stocks more than I like
I'm
trading
not
legacy
tripping, dude.
names.
I'm having
I
fun.
love fucking penny stocks.
I enjoy it.
Wow, Discord is a pain sometimes. Let's see, let's see. Has there been any other rumors for fucking Discord going public with SPAC?
I'm not sure. I didn't see any. BLSP, that looks good. I'm adding that to the watch list. Katie. That's a good
Is that a
chart.
penny stock?
Yeah, look at it. The chart that we like too. BLSP. It's only fucking 3 cents too. It could run really hard. You just close above a pivot at 2.6. This thing could run easy.
Did it give a green bar?
Big, let me check. Warning bar. Green bar on the 4 hour, hitting a 4 hour pivot. Green bar on the 1 hour playing out.
Only a 21 million cap too.
It got 1 billion shares traded today. Oh, never mind.
Alright,
That's the
guys, I
average. It got. What? No, yeah, it got 1 billion. Yeah, it got 1 billion.
I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, have a good one, C's. Sorry, Zach. I didn't see your message, man. Neo looks strong, man. I think Neo runs this week.
I'm still on hold, dude.
Dude, how long have you been on hold?
33 minutes.
Jesus Christ.
Got another 20.
Four-hour green bar on what, Neo? Which one are you talking about? Oh, on BLSP? Yeah, the green, the breakout bar? Yeah.
Snapchat pulled a Loch Ness Monster, bet.
Snapchat looks strong. Doesn't look bad. Does not look bad. Not a bad day, boys and girls.
Adios,
All right,
everyone.
you
Catch
guys,
you
man.
tomorrow.
Have a good
I
one.
hope you all go get yourself something nice for dinner.
Good shit, boys.
Yeah, GG's, boys.
Bacon and eggs and avocado, like avocado again tonight, man. I lost fucking 10 pounds doing that, eating that every day for dinner.
It's really good for you.
That sounds toxic, dude.
Every single day, I made a 3-egg omelet with cheese, 5 strips of bacon, and a full avocado. And sometimes I ate a little bit of smoked salmon on the top.
Time knows. Get in, Badger boys.
Dude, I didn't even look at the penny stock scanner today because we already had so many fucking good names. Let's see what's ripping on the scanner. CHCI. That thing's fucking tearing. Look at that. Daily buy signal. It's at $4 already, though. A little high. Not a bad chart.
Look at SRNE.
SRNE. Let me take a look. Yeah, that's clean. See, that's exactly what we look for. Inside bars, low volume. Boom. Exactly what we look for. Let's see.
We are currently experiencing longer than normal wait times. We apologize for any inconvenience. If you're calling about funds you recently deposited by funds have a 4 business day hold for buying non-marginable products, such as options, futures, and leveraged ETFs.
Fucking. That thing is irritating as hell.
Oh, you could hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's just funny. It's funny listening to it. I can only imagine you sitting there listening to it for an hour.
I kind of zoned it out, dude.
This one looks like a banger. XPL. It's just slow grinding up. Not a lot of volume though. Wasn't one of you guys calling out Marker Therapeutics last week? MRKR? Thing's up 50% today. Pretty sure somebody mentioned it in here last week.
I think Dime lost his mind after watching a full game of football last night.
What the fuck is he saying?
Wow, Riot was up almost $10 today. Mara also.
Yeah, they're all gonna run on the Elon tweet.
Huge though, my God. $10.
Look at RSSV, Resort Savers. That thing's ripping. Doesn't look too bad. Weekly's coming into resistance though. NAVB, biopharmaceutical, at an inside bar on Friday, just broke it today. Could be one to watch. Dog shit price action though, not the thing that we look for. A lot of these things are just too far extended already.
They all have like the same chart.
Yeah, they do.
It's just like a giant breakout candle, and it's like, all right, well.
This one's just getting started. SFT, Shift Technologies. 5 million volume today, breaking out of a massive range. 4-hour just closed over a pivot on the range high. That not a penny stock though. It's like $10. I don't know why I have this up to $10. Let me lower the price on these.
Wait, Starbucks is going blockchain?
Oh god.
That's amazing. I'm so glad I got those options in.
You've seen SFT before? It's not a bad chart, man. It's not a penny stock, but it's not a bad chart. Alright, I think we got enough things to watch for tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be home today, but if I am, I'll be posting the analysis a little early. If not, it'll probably be around like 11 o'clock. Just be on the
Thanks
lookout
for
for
all
it.
that you do.
What's that?
Thanks for all that you do.
Yeah, no problem. I'll be posting an analysis later today, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully make some money right at the bell on the pennies. You guys have a good one. Peace out, guys.